That's a question I'm often asked since I worked with the Rolling Stones from 1970 to 1973, but it never entered my head, and I'm sure it didn't enter theirs. Mick is as charismatic off stage as he is on, and Keith was my soft spot. We had some really mind-opening chats, but I doubt he remembers those because his excesses back then were pretty excessive. But I did read recently that after his father was cremated, he put some of his dad's ashes in a spliff and smoked it to salute him farewell. Next week, I'm going to tell you about this crazy European tour I ended up on with Black Sabbath. Ozzy Osbourne really was feisty, didn't believe in sleep, but had a heart of gold. I'll tell you more soon.